Hi there. Here's the dashboard I'm planning to give you, and let me go ahead and give you some sort of information as what few challenges are also. So starting with the data sheet, I've taken into account almost everything, and except one place where you mentioned about the child age. So basically, this is actually it's not possible to actually split that by the line and again slice it. That's actually not possible. So for an alternative, and this is the only thing unfortunately possible, is I've actually taken the all the information and I've actually calculated the information with a formula. So what it means is that you will not be able to use these slicers. So that's what this chart does. So which means that every time you import new data, this will just be static chart. So I'll explain what do you mean by static chart just shortly. Now, not only that, so all the other things are okay except this particular field seem to have a lot of anomalies. It looks like that. I'm not sure if that's how it should look, but I've removed what the recipe verified part of it. So that's the thing. In terms of the user ID, I do not see any duplicates whatsoever, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use what's there. In terms of the automation part of it, you can see that any changes that you do, uh, in here or add new data, just come here and click on the refresh button. So that will automatically go ahead and refresh the charts for you and the numbers and the slices, everything in just a click. Now, in terms of importing the data, when you have new data, you may choose to go ahead and delete what's here, but leave the don't delete the first row. Just delete everything what's here and then import it. But if you import it, it just goes to the last row and gets imported. So let me show you how it works. So if you click on that and just come here, like just select that particular import, like when you get and click open, and we get imported, and the charts will automatically get refreshed. So that's pretty much how it works. You can see the chart will get refreshed and all the things. So I'm not going to save this file eventually because I've already imported the data. So this particular sheet is where all the calculations and everything is happening. So this is just for macro use. If you want, you can use it, and you can go ahead and leave it otherwise. But in terms of this particular part, where I was not able to actually get this in the chart because I mean the dashboard it's way too big. So only for this, please go ahead and check what's here, and you should be able to get that information updated. So if you want only the active, you can click on this, or even I can give you one slicer for that particular status. If you click on it's up to you how do you this one we can't put charts for it because it will just be cluttered and nothing will be shown. So I'll show you something so you can see it's just nothing is coming up. So it's pretty much like way too much data. So that's why. So only for this I wasn't able to. I can't give the charts because of the number of rows that we have. Possibly these are something that you will go ahead and update it automatically. So check out and let me know. Uh, so let me know if there are any changes or anything because I really can't afford cancellations. If there are any challenges, please feel free to let me know upfront. So in terms of the dashboard, you can go ahead and slice and dice. Like for example, let's say you want to go ahead and see only for the two, you can go ahead and see everything gets updated. And then if you wanted to, and again you can see like false and then what is active and then so something like that. So you can slice and dice. Only for this chart, things will not get updated. All the other things will automatically get updated, and you can do multi filtering as well. Okay, thank you very much and have a good day. Bye bye.